Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Row, and I'm going to show you how to chip potatoes with just one of these. Now, a popular misunderstanding with the humble spud is which end is the growing end, and the growing end is the end with the eyes in it, and as you can see here, it's starting to grow. Now, the reason we put potatoes into egg boxes like so is because they don't touch each other, so it stops rot. The great thing is you can see the shoots are starting to form after a couple of weeks, and it's a great time of year to actually chit your potatoes. But what do you do with all the shoots? Well, the shoots are where your potatoes are going to come from. Now I'm going to let these grow nice and stubby, a bit thin at the moment, but after a few weeks they'll be nice and thick and stubby and short, and there'll be 3 or 4 of them, and I'll probably select 2 and I'll rub off the rest. I'll rub off anything that looks weak. So why rub off those weak shoots? Well, the simple reason is each of these will produce more potatoes as they grow up through the soil. And the idea is, by doing this, I get 2 weeks ahead, which is a big deal up here. So just by selecting the growth that I want and getting rid of the rest, I know that I am going to get a uniform crop. So they're all going to send up the same shoots and hopefully produce the same amount of potatoes, which will be nice and big. Now here you ask, well, why can't I just plant the potato in the ground as is? Well, you can. There's nothing stopping you from doing that. This is a personal preference. The only problem is if you plant in the ground as is, this could send out 3, 4, 5, 6 shoots. And then what will happen then is you'll get lots of little potatoes unless you keep on top of them. By limiting them to 2, possibly 3 shoots coming out of the potato, it means the potato is expending less energy to grow. Remember, everything comes from this, everything. And at the end of the season, this is completely and utterly exhausted, like most gardeners. So this is why we chit. If you enjoy Life on Pig Row and our films, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.